So to have your post scheduled, you need to have some designs. So you have either option for edit a photo on Fotor.com, make a collage, or create a design. So let's say I want to create a design, and for to create a design, I can choose the size that I want. Is it for Facebook? Is it for YouTube channel art? Is it for a poster? What exactly do I want to design? So let's say I want to design for Pinterest, right? That's where I want to promote. Now, I can choose basically anything because I have here Facebook cover, YouTube, Twitter, and if I scroll even more down, it will tell me exactly where I want. Instagram post, Pinterest post, Twitter post. So I have more options. You can play around in here. Just to make this video short, we'll go to Pinterest boards. And in this Pinterest board, on Fotor.com, you can basically do anything from a template. It saves time. You really don't have to spend hours and hours working on it. And with this Pinterest board, I can just pick any template that I want. I did not create anything for, let's say, for my tutoring, but let's say I'm gonna pick something here interesting. Okay, I just need to charge my computer. Just bear with me. I just need to charge my computer. It's low battery. I didn't realize it. Okay, so let's say I'm gonna pick here, I don't know, charity art auction. Okay, I can change here just about anything. I can say, instead of charity art auction, I can say tutoring. Okay, this is a premium. I actually have a premium account, so I'm going to log in. I would really love for you to subscribe and learn more about other tools that I can offer for teachers. I completely forgot my password. Connect with Facebook maybe. I know I have a premium account. So please subscribe and let me know, what other tools you would like to see. I really want you to learn as much as possible tutoring math, for example, in order to grow in your career. So let's say I'm going to do the font size 100. It's too big. And I need to change this one. No. Okay, this one. Now I can play around. I can do it bigger, smaller. Just like that. Tutoring math. With, I don't know, Sarah. Tutoring math with Sarah. This is just an example for you how you can design your own. It's just adding text, and if you want, you can change colors. But just to make this video short, I'm just gonna do it very fast so you can see. we can say here, open house, I don't know, March 5th. And then you can add here your address or your phone number. So let's say I can just type a phone number here, and then people can just call me with questions. This is just an example that is very simple. You can do other options here. You can add images, you can add backgrounds, you can add text, stickers if you want. Let me just play with some stickers here just to make it fun a little bit. Let's say what kind of stickers do I want. So let's say it's basic shapes. No, I don't want that. Basic shapes are pretty much good for pictures. Let's see, image grid. Maybe I want some emojis. Let's see here, doodles, patterns. So let's say I want to use some patterns. This is great for the background. So let's say I want to use this one. And then I can just do like this to make it fun. And that's it. So here you go. I can just download it and upload it to Pinterest. If I want to import images, I can import images. But this is how it will look like as a flyer on Pinterest.